Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a business location on Snapchat map. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, you're gonna access your Snapchat app on your phone. First, let's cross this out, and now go ahead, tap on this little map icon on bottom left, and from over here you're gonna tap on the settings icon on top right, and simply go ahead, tap on this option of suggest a place in the bottom, and you're gonna enter the name of the place. So let's see, this is the place name. Go ahead, enter the category, whatever it is. Let's say this is the gym, and now go ahead, tap to add attributes. You can simply choose to skip that as well. Now go ahead, tap add the hours, tap on done, save, and you're gonna simply enter the website's link as well if you have one, and go ahead, enter the number of years. You can add the photos as well of that place and tap on the submit, and that place will be listed and your friends will be able to see it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.